That makes sense. Fair enough. I think, yeah, I mean, you covered pretty much everything a tourist also needs. So you gave like a whole tourist guide, I think. So, but fair enough. But yeah, you're right. I mean, if you come,
So definitely, if somebody came to any new place, if they tasted any special dish on that place, definitely it will be remembered for a longer time. He'll
that is,
definitely remember. And next time, whenever he came, he will remember us. Oh, I one of my friend last time
yeah.
we both traveled to this place, and so like that.
Hmm.
Ma'am, what is the topic, man? Oh, ma'am, today?
Yeah. Today's topic is it's taking a lot of time to load. Yeah, today's topic is helping a friend move, right? So this is a completely situational topic, right? So the situation at hand is like if a friend of yours comes to your city for the first time, right? So they are completely unaware of everything in your city. It's the first time they are going to be entering your city. How would you initially make them feel familiar with your city? What places would you take them to familiarize them with the city?
Yeah. So, fortunately, I'm living in one of the beautiful places, ma'am, in India, Hyderabad. So
Hmm.
definitely there are a lot more to see, ma'am, in Hyderabad, because this is one of the biggest tourist place in India. So there, firstly, ma'am, I will suggest I will take him towards uh, Charminar and Golconda Fort. And there is a, ma'am, in Hyderabad, everything is available, ma'am. Suppose if you want to explore kind of sea experience, for example, you
Hmm.
can go to Gandipet Cheru, or you can go to especially uh, Tangman. Tangman is a place where you can experience boating as well. There is steamers also available in the Tangman, and especially in the middle of the water you can go. There is a Buddha Vigra, so we can go to that place. And especially when you go to Tangman, like, there are a lot of statues are available, ma'am, in the uh, you can roadside.
Hmm.
So if you observe all of them, ma'am, you can see the journey of that person, especially Shivaji. There are so many other people's statues are there, and right now there was a new assembly also, ma'am, built in the beside of Tangman, so which is looking something very amazing, because that is the first time the architecture is completely very different. So I'll try to show him, because it's very important, ma'am. We are living in a state Telangana, so need to know where it is the assembly and all, how it is looking. And
Hmm.
there are some other things, ma'am, if they want to enjoy, so there are rain dances are available, snow world is available. There is a zoo park, ma'am, one of the biggest park. So if you want to see the all the animals from different places, so I can take him to zoo park, so that he can explore a lot, greeniness and all. And Lumbini Park is there. There are so many other parks also there, but these are very famous. And um after that, ma'am, we'll coming back to the food, because we cannot live without food. So
Yeah.
definitely food is one of the important thing. So I
Hmm.
can take him towards there are big restaurants are there, like nearby Charminar, there is a restaurant Nawaz, one of the big famous restaurant. You can explore. You can get lot of dishes there. In chicken, there are hundreds of dishes are available.
Hmm.
Like that, so many other places also there, ma'am. Like Paradise Biryani is one of the famous.
Yeah.
Shakos Biryani is one of the famous, and Shorma is one of the famous in Hyderabad.
True.
So many things are there to eat also, and these are spices. If they want to
Yeah.
explore something like sweets, there are Karachi bakeries are there. Like so again, there are also a lot of places are available in Hyderabad. So these are some of the places I'll definitely take him to, so that you can also enjoy, you can also feel something very happy. Yes, ma'am, because when we go to new places, we have an enthusiasm to see, explore
Yeah.
everything. And especially, ma'am, there is a very big project in Hyderabad, that is metro. So
Oh
I
yeah,
can
still
take them
ongoing.
to, yeah, it's a very big project actually in India, I can say one of the
Right.
biggest projects. So
Hmm.
this is, that is one of the amazing thing, ma'am. It is available in India, so I can take him through. It's a altogether different play thing, ma'am. Because if generally if you want to travel from one place to another place in in Hyderabad, you need to travel. Suppose at 10 kilometers you want to travel, ma'am. It will take minimum half an hour to 45 minutes or 1 hour due
Yeah.
to traffic, heavy traffic.
All
But
metropolitans are like stuck like that.
yeah,
So
but now because of in Hyderabad we have metro option, so we can generally travel in just for 5 to 10 minutes only. If I want to travel of 40, 20, 25 kilometers also, I need to travel just for only 30 minutes, less than. If I want, yeah, that is
that's a
the
lot of time saved.
time save. And in one more thing, ma'am, time save and money is also save. Suppose if
Yeah.
I want to travel on bike, I need
True.
to put 1 liter petrol up and
Hmm.
down because
Yeah.
of heavy traffic. But in metro, what should I do, ma'am? Like just only 45 rupees to 50 rupees. I can simply go there and I can come. So around 90 rupees, I can easily travel both sides.
Hmm.
So that is one of the interesting place. And coming back to temples, ma'am, if somebody want to go, like whatever the religion, ma'am, it doesn't matter if they want to go for, if he is a Muslim or if he is a Hindu or if he is a anyone, ma'am. In Hyderabad, the special thing is that everything is available. If he is a Muslim, there is a Makkah is there. There is a lot of things are there if you want to go through, especially that place. Or if he is a Christian, there is another again lot of big churches are there, very famous churches. And if he is Hindu, again there are a lot of things are available in Hyderabad. So there is no any problem issue with temples also. Whatever the religion, you can easily enjoy your religious things. So everything is available, so I can explore him towards all of this.
That makes sense. Fair enough. I think, yeah, I mean, you covered pretty much everything a tourist also needs. So you gave like a whole tourist guide, I think. So but fair enough. But yeah, you're right. I mean, if you come to Hyderabad, food is a really big part because Hyderabad is
Yeah,
famous for its cuisines. Anyone who travels, the first thing they want to try is the different types of chicken and everything. Because, yes, it is made in other parts of India, but the taste in the curry is very different. Curry
yeah,
is prepared differently. So
yes.
that puts a
Uh,
lot of difference.
you know one thing, ma'am, wherever we go, we may saw plenty of places,
See,
but the pro ma'am?
we may
Yeah,
see.
we may see. Okay, we may see plenty of places, but whatever you see, you might forgot them.
Hmm.
But what you taste, you never forgot, ma'am. Right?
Yeah,
It
that is
will
true.
long for, like it will be in our mind for a longer time.
Yeah, that's true.
So definitely if somebody came to any new place, if they tasted any special dish on that place, definitely it will be remembered for a longer time. He'll
That is
definitely remember. And next time whenever he came, he will remember us. Oh, I one of my friend last time
true.
we both traveled to this place, and so like that.
Hmm. You know, it works vice versa also because I also remember the places where I had really bad food and I can just not go back there and eat there. That's also
Yes.
true. Have you ever had any experience like that where, maybe a place was very hyped up, so you tried it, that okay, it's very famous, let me go and try, and it turned out to be average or below average kind of food?
You are talking about in the restaurant, ma'am?
Restaurants or any other place where you travel to, so you maybe tried something there, could be anything.
Yes, ma'am. It happens sometime. Actually, ma'am, I have pretty good experience, ma'am. I want to tell you. One time we went to Araku, ma'am. It is available in Andhra Pradesh. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, basically I am from Hyderabad, so I had a lot of experience of biryanis,
Hmm.
different dishes
Yeah,
in different
makes
places.
sense.
So we used to travel sometimes 40 kilometers to eat the biryani also. Ma'am, sometimes we have available. So
Yeah.
everything is available in Hyderabad. So I explored all types of biryanis, ma'am, almost. Okay.
Hmm.
So when I visited to Araku, ma'am, in the hills, there is a small hotels are available, ma'am. You know, ma'am, like what can I say? Uh, like tadaka, what we call it as, ma'am, like mm, a very
There is,
small
yeah,
tadaka means what can I say, ma'am? Like suppose if we have money, ma'am, this roof we will what we will do, ma'am. For this roof, we will use cement and all
yeah.
materials. If we don't
Hmm.
have money, generally we will without roof also. Generally, we will
Oh yeah, got it.
what we call. I don't know, ma'am. That actually in English.
Like you
Okay,
built a fake ceiling. Yeah, okay, got it.
yeah, something like ceiling like that. Generally, they will very small hotel, ma'am. You can say there is
Yeah,
no ambience, nothing is
got it.
there, no face hand wash
Yeah,
like
yeah,
that. Only normal water is there here and there. But, ma'am, what they're serving is very different, ma'am. Actually, the biryani they are serving like uh, a normal rice we generally eat, right, ma'am? With
yeah.
that rice, they prepared a biryani, and it's like chicken biryani or mutton biryani, and they are giving some soup, special soup, chicken
Okay.
soup, like that. After eating that, ma'am, you will never experience that kind of experience in even Hyderabad also.
Oh, is that okay? And
Really
that, like, I mean, you
amazing, ma'am.
that's saying a big statement because Hyderabad is very famous for different types of biryanis.
Yeah, really, ma'am. That was amazing experience, ma'am. I never ever experienced that, ma'am. I was stayed there 3 days, ma'am, in Araku, and entire 3 days I ate only biryani three times. After even tiffin also biryani, because that much it was so tasty. Ma'am, after coming back, when we were coming back from Araku, I was taken 3-4 plates of biryani. Generally, we take some other things, right, ma'am,
Yeah.
whenever we coming back. But I take a
Yeah.
biryani. So in the middle
Oh,
of the place, like when I reached to 300 200
mm.
kilometers, friends are taking the biryani and we ate. It was a great experience, ma'am.
Yeah.
Coming back to bad food, there are some places, ma'am. I went to Maharashtra and Karnataka sometime. So I was actually I listen, ma'am. There was good food is available in
But it's
Maharashtra,
not
Karnataka.
our like palette. Yeah.
Yeah, in where I wait actually went, there was not a good food is available. So I was really thought very bad. So I taken some biscuit packets and all.
Yeah, this
So
happened to me in Gujarat because like their okay, so their food is very sweet, right?
okay,
Even the like the namkeen or the things that are supposed to be spicy, there also they add little bit of sugar or jaggery. Even in their dal, you will find a little bit of sweetness. So I'm from
yeah,
North India. We don't mix sweets and dals ever. Okay, so
yeah,
spicy separately, we like sweet separately. We don't make like a mixture of it. So
yeah,
I was very like disappointed because I had to tell the chef after that can you just make a dal without adding any sugar to it? And but the thing is that the people are so sweet that they understood it and they didn't mind or get offended. They actually prepared a little bit of separate food for me and they like made some extra so I can pack and take because they knew that I was not going to find this kind of food anywhere in Gujarat because like in the it's all a mix of like spices and sweetness, and I was not into it. I like my dessert separately. So
yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
it was
Basically in South, yeah,
but the food
eh,
was not my
yeah.
palate.
Especially South side, we don't mix it, ma'am. Like sweet is separate,
Yeah,
we generally go for heart is separate. Yes, heart
exactly.
we generally take initially time. After completion of the heart, we go for sweet.
Yeah,
We don't want to
desserts are for
mixture it.
later.
Yeah.
Exactly. And
Yes.
I know people who don't even eat desserts because like I personally like spicy a lot. So I don't eat desserts. I like
Okay.
the spiciness of the like flavor. So that
Ma'am, I want to tell you one experience, ma'am. I
hmm.
don't want to differentiate here, ma'am. I'm Muslim or Hindu, but
That's true. Yeah.
yeah. But the main thing is that, ma'am, one time I never enter into any kind of friend, ma'am. I have a very good a friend of Muslim, ma'am.
Hmm.
So he invited me for a marriage. So I entered into marriage, ma'am. That was the first time in my life, because I have friends, but nobody invited me for a marriage. So I
Yeah.
thought how it is looks like. So I entered into that, ma'am. I really surprised, ma'am. The culture of that particular religion, ma'am. The thing is that the people are, eating. Round table is there. Everybody is eating in front of them. Only one big plate is there. I was surprised what is going on. Like it's really amazing, ma'am, because it's a
Yeah.
kind of thing. What I feel that, ma'am, at that time, they feel like we all are equal.